And the race is on. Yes, Beauty from the outside. Doctrine. Grace Giver, Danori inside. Sunny, Sebi Yorum also rushing up. Camela Bang racing in fifth. Silver Champ, Pearl of the Orient. A taste. Grace Giver, followed by Yes Beauty, Sunny, Sebi Yorum on the farther outside. And rounding the far turn, Grace Giver, ranking up, Yes Beauty, in between runners, Sunny, Sebi Yorum on the outside. And Doctrine racing forward by about 5 lengths, Camela Bang, Silver Champ. Number 3, Hot Taste, and Pearl of the Orient is now running at the tail of the field. As they race the final corner, Grace Giver, Yes Beauty is on the outside, fighting it out for the lead. Grace Giver, Yes Beauty on the outside, Sunny Sebi Yorum. It's still Grace Giver, Yes Beauty on the outside. Grace Giver, Yes Beauty on the outside, but still Grace Giver. And finally, Grace Giver, Yes Beauty, Silver Champ, Sunny Sebi Yorum, and for your Fantafecta number 5, Camela Bang.
Sabi